This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Candace Van Vass. Low maintenance living. Peaceful backyard view. This home features 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, a large open concept living room and dining room area with a cathedral ceiling, an inside utility room, screened lanai and no rear neighbors. The home has been very well maintained and is move-in ready. The roof and AC were replaced in 2018. The low monthly HOA fee includes lawn maintenance, access to the community pool and tennis courts that your family can enjoy. Located in Tavares, the center of the Golden Triangle area of Central Florida, just north of Lake Dora. Make your appointment today. For more information, review the details below.